Abusia, about 5 days ago, and I bet someone says so. You who said Manasseh, the world changer. Warrior video na video na warrior life here. What said some den Ghana for one sort of crowd fan what same pass and kofobi tata and kofobi person go really dem as and kofobi be cheno ni ade it's not Manasseh the world changer person we are saying name who say abra warrior life and kofobi ebo the fear what the busa na nyen kofobi as na eya posifo yeah prophet Nigel Gaisie and the mass ankofo no ekokoche Manasseh the world changer.
Life. No life wrong. One no life. Life never share. Watch on our life. You see, I'm with you. Ghana for me. Me life. Me tie. No, I want to say ya. And one up. And so. Yeah, but Indian tia or one so. Life. No life wrong. One no life. Life never share. Watch on our life. You see, I'm with you. Ghana for me. Life. Me tie. No, I want to say ya. And one up. And so. Yeah, but Indian tia or one so.
Esan ensem bia etwemu ebe bia etwemu ewo netu expose bia e course no ensem bia wo mo kan ye e de fa prophet Nigel Gaisie na sa bre no prophet Nigel Gaisie e de post beto ha wo kire say Manasseh the world changer no kwa wonimu no na so for so many years no kan sem mo ne pa e de afa no ho na ebusuya ena me no we ka say Manasseh the world changer abeg bia wo hu no enya asem keto na so abeg ni nyina no ankwa kusia ga ya omko court na ka Manasseh e kwa pray say ye bema ne bill na so busuya bill no entimi amma so ya sabrede ya sign REMANDED Manasseh say ye mfa no enkonko twiri mu nkosi say asem no ye be mu ehwehwemu nyina awie pepepe.
See, I'm with you. Ghana for me. Life. Me tie. No, I want to say ya. And one up. And so. Yeah, but Indian tia or one so.
Now after say court some no eba na Manasseh enya bio no prophet Nigel Gaisie about bonten so no de onya dajo ba be video ne mum ne sa no bo ne bro foka enti wa be make post e wo social media na post no enye nsem keto ansem a wa bro so de agum no say prophet Nigel Gaisie the cameras ni so aka be nsem fofo na ne busia ekutie nyina obegum na wasan de kokobo akode ama asofo bi a omo de omo so mbobon krofo bi pa amamo gom nyankwa asofo hu fi no prophet Nigel Gaisie ato sa asofo ni nyina enkra Nebusia mama can kind post no e de ama before I go post no so no message so be me subscribe button no so de mama ya no wakai so the god be ka on sa no upload into one first person ya wo sa ebidi kaka men so brem didi so wasum keka no de nya botem se post no e wakakra na ensem suwum enti nya botem ya da je twem na men kan post no me kind brofo me kira se ama ye nyina ya te ye ho ase am ye Manasseh the world changer ne bobre sa bre bibia wogina ene enkrato a prophet Nigel Gaisie eto Edema asofo na akam. Ntebusia post no saying that the infamous Manasseh the world changer has been used over the years by some wicked cowards, ungrateful, not too futuristic and kingdom-minded prophets to lie about me, saying serious and wild things about God ministry, my family, and other things connected to me. Ntebusia prophet Nigel Gaisie na world changer say Manasseh the world changer was say enkophobia wo me yetimodin for mo nsa ne akukudro. Womo ena womo abo Manasseh ni pa say on cansem money and fanfanya me adwuma wo ye no eho ene wo no prophet Nigel Gaisie eho wo se ensem a ano e hyiye pa no se ensem no krampo no se eye no krakra anka enye ne ya se ensem o kai na so se enye no kre na sa Manasseh ya kasanse ni nyina e de afa wo no prophet Nigel Gaisie ho nyame adwuma ho na busua ene afei ade bia e fa wo no prophet Nigel Gaisie ho no Manasseh akansem money e de afa ho me to also say as mature and educated as I am, we kept records of all. In the past weeks, I petitioned the relevant state institution, hence his arrest and remanded today by the respected courts of Ghana. It's a Muslim was one of the essence of what school now wire crashing see wonim dear pants. Tama Manasseh yes answer in our mamma so one make us no no court no kwa evidence now the beko into a baba san semina no ebrepamu no petition police say police form one na wo mo kwachi na so mo kwachi na ene omudiko pie mu okota sa brege ya remande Manasseh ya went me enya bill no enti ebusia me to so we no say let it be known that when they send you to come and lie or say silly things about me or any of my investments, I may be slow, but we keep records of all, and at the appropriate time, when God gives me the leading, the appropriate office will come after you. It's also busia we no enya kokobo fa mo bia say obi bebo pa say be cancel hu de fa ne ho a wose obeye nya fi say nyankopon yesom ne kwa no onye gidigidi nyankopon to ne boase na na de eti prophet Nigel Gaisie say so be cancel mo ne fa ne ho a obeto ne boase obeche na so mfa hu ni obetwen ebrepam no se nyankopon ma ne kwan se kwa owo beko na office na wose wokon ebeba abechew ede wako. I am very serious person, so be cautioned when you are asked by evil plotters in Kasok to come after me out of jealousy and stupidity. Prophet Nigel Gaisie say no oyobi a nani abre wa brabo mu pa ya wo bobra na woye serious person. It is your ball pa abayfo bi ni pabonefo bi ball pa sebra ya wo mu nso nyame ahye Kasok anyam na make Prophet Nigel Gaisie nsema wo kan no na make kan dem awo no wose ni pabonefo bi ebo pa ya wo mo do makwakwahye Kasok mu ebo pa wo nim se ya ni bro so sebi bread ya sama nimu a eye jimiyo na wo mo bo kwafo pa so obi bo pa sebra na be sa de ni bi dia ene o wose ubeti ahia pa so I will respond when you least expected it. That is when you now so eno ana Prophet Nigel Gaisie lecture say obeba beto ade acho. I protect the work of God, so I am very guided about a lot of things, but be cautioned because when the Lord comes after you there will be no emotions. Was say wonu wo bonya medwuma no ho ban eno nti wo ye nibrefo pa nti no se mra na chiwa won fatinka enye hwe emfa ma ene ebusua obema kwan obeyi atinka frim na emra no ene wedi na atinka no ho no wo ye capital letter that is a honi hia ne pa atinka de wo se won fa enye adwuma. Whoever sends you will be in his bedroom resting while you rot in jail. Say those are na no suma no no better than dem adwudwe no ho no wada wo di aduane de ne aduane dendende na wo no wona woni aban ekokko ahye nti no was it you're very, very careful. So be about I have told myself that I will be one of the people who will always protect women and men of God and the general kingdom work of God. If you are reading this post as man of God, try and be different. Don't dig holes for others. So no what can't say will be a way nyamijuma so your bass so your bema we no ho ban assign abo nyamijuma no ho ban enti suppose they are making so you so for down saka bi na say wo so wo kan a be careful entu amuna boni bi afa ma onyenku na utu amuna boni wankasa obekwa akoto amena nim ya we no aye Prophet Nigel Gaisie ensem ya wode ba ebusia me sure say Prophet Nigel Gaisie in the post no ensem wo mu ye pa. He is going back to jail while the paymaster is sleeping in his room. When they call you, tell them to send their own sons and daughters. We are so busy doing the work of God in God's way. I am in my small place thinking about myself. Don't take money and come and lie on me or any other man of God or business person. Let people be a vanguard of the work of God and good things. Don't destroy it. Ejabusia we no na Prophet Nigel Gaisie say Manasseh the world changer was say akwa kwatrim. Yes, I did akwa kwatrim. Na nipa kwa was man say wo meka san asem ne fa no no wo no ehye ne dem ya wada enti wo say south wo no bi fro say wo bo pa kodi sofo bi atemu a kodi businessman bi atemu ni obi kwatrim so say ka kire say one small no akasa na iba ana ni baba na ni baba ma na won kokoye sa niam na emfama na fi se enye sa na wodi animu na kokoya emra ebeso mu o se wono no waye nani abregide ya woye nyamedwuma wo hye ne baby din wo hye ne wan kona ya wo dwene ne ho nti na nkonkoyi sika mfiri bi ho na ma medi ntro emfa mfa ne ho na abedi ntro de fa ne ho de a o wo se emra no ebusia eni wo bedi ya o no Prophet Nigel Gaisie one fat nka enye hwe ebusia ma yenkoni enkotie audio bi e beto monten so a na eye Manasseh the world changer ene sofopani Prophet Owusu Bempah edi nkomo na ye ba bedi sa audio no nkomo
so when you say you create no obeji why am I tell obeji ati so me get upon it sabi omo ko ti no mo bi na di mi o se Bempah mi ni mo se baby
ene wara ro mama memere mu han mai ade achi ye no a ya pia bubu ka bi adanse kwasiara wa nasore ne joda na wa which you have from friends and running in common. A good reason, and I'm saying, not a day now, Papa, Bempah. Appear because so this one. Well, man, they say, bet my we count some Bible. Miss Animal, unlike I have what you can see, and there's Animal. But the trust of Ekasa is Subia. So, Cobra, we check out here and say, oh, Cobra, medium communion, now I have been permanent over case. And I can't try to say, men set to appear biblical. A G, no, I set to appear. Friend yes, you flew with your Jamaica as a man.
I'm misremembering why. Which catch them say, I can't say, the nakedness, pictures me, videos room, or share. Ovara Okambi. Kayo which appears so Okambi. And I want you to catch us in Pia say, or do I go ahead for this? I must say no. So the idea or I saw the cocoa, which you know, over chow. It is not the soul settle appear replica. Chana which you need catch them you. And I would take catch them say. What you have to police from penny food. Penny food, yes.
What catch them say,
I'm
catch them say, Attorney General for penny food.
You saw catch up the police from penny food in there, Attorney General for the Budian Park. And I'm sure catch them. Oh, my ship. And almost say, any of which you know, because I have a court. I may be to be. I'm fine, I may be to get you know. I case no one, and you also tell up your baby. And then you catch me. So you know, over time, Manasseh. So my Pia baby catch was 2 billion. So that idea, that's 2 billion. So we can't get here. It's okay, I'm catching the say. So for you, I said the cocoa. Now I was passing. O'Shea, I feel baby can make it never be. The no cocoa, family at the final secure. And that's a bit, you know, the cocoa, that's a bit, self and a baby's idea. What the man can pay you. No, imagine that would be such a day. Also, for me, meaning that would be. Now, that's a PSC, I can't biblically. What's it?
Tabusian way, any audio, yeah, a buyer, a channel, Manasseh the world changer, about one saying. Abehu abeg says ansem na wokan no nya nokre no nokre ye nokra wan kubi obi na kwai no be ka kire ne wiase se ka kire ebokro de bia meka me se te ka kire wo wi ebokro asem no unu ho no bi be ka kire ma ne fa na asem ko ene wutie ya wo na wo ya agimanji mu man ya akodi mu tintim ye ne na wo achi wan ko be ka ansem na kire wo no won ba bia wa do na prophet Nigel Gaisie kan no say obi obo pass be ye adwuma no bo pa ko ye adwuma na wie na fe bedru wo no emra ni so mu an obo pa no wada. We had that evidence now send the password in the Bempah. Your word against the person. What cannot mean wo baby a? Who na achi unse busia we no ene kokoboya prophet Nigel Gaisie. The emma asofo ene obia wo de wote wiase a wo say onyonko soro ko na ya oya. It's onyonko from obetena ba from no say careful. Na emra e wo Ghana se emra ni so mu a e na ba wa je say emra ni ko na emra ni so mu dia bo se wo man e yo man a ye de emra e na e ye adwuma. Message someone to be your comments or comment section ho. All the social media handles no too much GH. Go subscribe, like, and share. Now for so any be share.